Hello there, TK422, the Optimissed-It Stormtrooper. Today I'm going to show you how to add a lightsaber blade effect to this photo directly inside Adobe Lightroom Classic. Now I do prefer the lightsaber effect in Photoshop more, and I will show you how to do that. However, I think this is kind of fun that we're able to do that right inside of Lightroom. So let's take a look. So I'm going to go over here to masking. I'm going to click masking and let's go brush. Let's make that brush smaller and let's just fill in the lightsaber blade here. Perfect. It's been a while since I've done this. I gotta remember how. So let's pull that exposure up and let's add a little bit of a tint to it right there. We can also adjust the hue if needed. So we're going to create a new mask, and for this we're going to take the temperature just like that, bring it down to blue, maybe bring the exposure up a little, not too much, and there you have it. Simple as that. That's one way to create a lightsaber in Lightroom. Now obviously you can play around with this, tinker a little bit, but I see right away one issue we have is over here it's darker, and then right here it's very, very bright. So it's kind of cool stylistically, but it's not quite the look we want. So that's how you do it in Lightroom. If you'd like to see the, in my opinion, the much better effect, click this video here and you can watch how to do this in Photoshop. Thank you. TK422 out.